Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wanted to make your online presence a little sharper by adding your resume to your Wix website, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to walk you step by step through how to add your resume in PDF form directly onto your Wix site. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a polished professional resume right where visitors can see it, download it, and be impressed. Let's jump right in. Alright, the very first thing you'll want to do is head over to your Wix website. Just log into your Wix account the way you normally would, and then open up the website editor for the site you want to update. Remember, all your changes will be made in this editor, so take a moment to make sure you're in the right place before we go any further. Next, look over to the left-hand sidebar in the editor. You're going to want to select Add Element. This is where all the building blocks of your website live, and it's basically your toolkit for making changes. I always think of this as the digital equivalent of opening your toolbox before you hang a picture on the wall. Take your time and find the Add Element button. It's usually marked with a plus sign. Once you click, you'll see a bunch of different options pop up: text, images, shapes, and so on. What you want to do here is click on Button. Now you might be wondering, why a button? Well, adding your resume as a clickable button not only looks clean and professional, but it also makes it super easy for visitors to find and download your resume with just one click. Think of it as putting a big, friendly sign right where people can see it. After you've added the button to your page, you'll notice on the settings for that button, there's usually an option to link it to something. Here's where you want to select PDF. This step is important because it tells your button, hey, when somebody clicks me, I should open up or download a PDF file. Without this step, clicking the button won't do anything useful. So make sure you find and select the PDF option. Now comes the part where you get to show off your resume. Click Select PDF, and you'll be prompted to either upload a new file or choose from files you've already uploaded. Locate your resume in PDF form. Hopefully, you've got it saved in an easy-to-find spot on your computer. If not, don't worry. Just take a minute to track it down. Once you've got it, upload it to Wix and click Add to Page. Your resume is now linked to that button you created. I know it sounds simple, but these few clicks are going to make a big impact. And that's honestly it. Just like that, your resume is now a sleek, easily accessible part of your site. Anyone who visits can now download or view your resume with no hassle. If you want to go that extra mile, you can style the button to match your website's colors or add some text like "Download my resume" to make it totally clear. So give yourself a pat on the back for taking this step to make your website even more professional. If you found this walkthrough helpful, go ahead and hit that like button or drop a comment if you ran into any issues or have questions. I'm always happy to help. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy, effective web tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.